Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna try and tackle organizing 2 junk drawers and 1 utensil drawer that we have in our kitchen. And the point of this video is to show you that you can have junk drawers, but they can also be organized. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so the first drawer is this first one right here between the fridge and the oven. And we just have some random utensils in here that are not used like all the time, but as you can see, they're just kind of rolling around all over the place. And so this definitely needs like an organization divider to keep everything in place and prevent this from sliding. Alright, so the other 2 drawers are actually the 2 in our island, and they've just turned into junk drawers, and I have no idea what's in them. So let's go ahead and take a look at the first one. Oh, it's getting stuck. So we have some fall napkin, we have a scissor, a gift bag, a lighter, a screwdriver, some light bulbs, some tape, and some band-aids. Alright, so you can see. And then here's a second one. This one is a little better, at least it opens smoothly. So we have wine corks, some more napkin, screwdriver, some gum, some Tums, and then we have our like grilling stuff over here. And then I guess, there's a door stopper and I don't know, whatever else in here. Okay guys, so you know that I like to use storage bins for organizing closets, drawers, cabinets, whatever it might be. And I've picked up a few items, so I thought I'll quickly share with you what they are. So first off, we have these 2 containers. It's a 5-piece organization system, and I got these from the 99-cent store. Now these were not 99 cents, they were $4.99, but I still think it's a great deal. And I actually got a very similar one to this for our bathroom a while ago from Ross, and I think that was like $6, so it's comparable. And then I have this one right here, which is like your typical, utensil organizer, the plastic kind. And it's kind of small, so I'm thinking this is not gonna work. But again, when it comes to organization, you just have to try different products and see what works better. And then lastly, I have this one right here. I feel like this might be for like an office or something, but I'm gonna still use it. I think I'm gonna use this in the utensil drawer, and I think this might work better because it's taller. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys these real quick before we go ahead and get started. Okay, drawer number 1, first step is to take everything out so we can see what we're working with. So now that we know what's in here, I'm going to go ahead and try some product and see which one of the organizers is going to work for this drawer. Okay, so not bad. Everything fits, and obviously they're not all in this tray, but I think just having the smaller items that were like rolling around, like these little things, in this is gonna help keep this drawer a little bit more organized. so this is all the stuff that came out of these two drawers. This is crazy. I don't even know how they were fitting in here. But some of these items have a home already, like tools we have a setup in our garage. So I'm gonna move those out. But again, every household needs a junk drawer. So I'm gonna keep these junk drawers, but just a bit more organized. Just sorted through everything that I wanted to stay down here in these junk drawers. So we have like barbecue stuff, we have our ring that we still need to put up. I don't know about these wine corks. I might take them upstairs in my office so I can do like a DIY with it, but just like keeping some pens down here and like ibuprofen and Tums, and then just some screwdrivers, box cutter. These are like good to have handy. But I wanted to show you guys this because this was so funny. It was in one of the bags or whatever in this drawer, and there was actually some junk left when we first bought the house in these drawers, and I guess we just never took it out. So I was looking, and it was the fridge manual, and the fridge and stuff are like not new at all. So I'm like, okay, why is this here? And then I'm looking at it. First of all, it's faded, right? And then look at this. The date on this. Oh, you can't even see it. If I focus, is 2008. That is crazy. That feels like forever ago. And this receipt is still in our drawer. So I just do not think we need any of this. It was just funny. I wanted to show you guys. But anyways, now that I have everything categorized, I'm going to go ahead and start using those containers to just organize these a little bit better in these drawers. Okay, when it comes to organizing, there's really no right or wrong way to do it. It just depends on the space you have and the stuff you have. So it's really just trial and error to figure out what works best for you. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. I am just going to play around with this and put stuff in here, and then hopefully it works out. Alrighty guys, so that's it for today's video. It took me less than 1 hour to organize all 3 of these drawers, and all of the organization systems that I used were less than $5. What I'm trying to say is that organization doesn't have to take a long time and it doesn't have to be expensive. So I hope that you got inspired and motivated to tackle organizing your own junk drawer. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you in my next video.